Right there is Lake Pachola. You see the Lake Palace, Jagmandir, and then this is Fateh Sagar on this side. So this is all the countryside of Udaipur.
The foundation of the Udaipur city was 1559, and the ruler who founded the city, his name was Uday Singh, Uday, Udai. That's why the name of this town, this city called Udaipur. And palace was completed by his 22 generation. Like Maharana Uday Singh was the first king of the city who founded the city and built the palace in 1559.
Beyonce performance.
That's so cool.
Some other weddings, Jennifer Lopez, Shakira, Ellie Goulding performed here.
J-Lo? Wow.
J-Lo also performed here, but not here, but like she was on the island.
Oh,
On the Jagmandir Island where you can go by boat. This is the room of queens because they were not allowed to go outside. So they used to come here and see outside functions.
Nice fresh chai.
Oh, look,
Nice
it's
and
steaming. Piping hot.
It's nice to enjoy it with this view out here.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bit cloudy. It looks like it might rain. How's it?
It's good.
It's very good. What do you taste?
Ginger. Possibly black pepper. Made it to Illusion.
This is my real younger brother. Okay, no. Only by the process block, slice, then peel.
These views here, and then this right above us, which is really cool. Nice, very good. So let's give it a try.
You see everything from up there. And the lakes. Which direction are the lakes?
So this is your Raj,
Yeah.
and they are the ones that are hosting the homestay for us.
I didn't get you in the video, sorry. And then, hello, kaseyo.
Nice to see you again.